I'm 17, and there's a vinyl of Amy Winehouse spinning on the turntable. I'm checking her notes for coke lines, wondering why such a beautiful woman didn't choose a more jazzier addiction. Amy, we only said goodbye with words, but your actions spoke louder, as loud as beehives on a summer afternoon. You taught me to always enjoy the view and to allow time for yourself, but most of all, to not be afraid to let your tears dry all on their own.
We only said goodbye with words. I died 100 times. You go back to heaven, I go back to, I go back to us.
The piano is slowing. Some addictions won't allow you to have fun anymore. Consumed in their rush, or is it truly a rush when all you feel like doing is napping? Mama said, sing over your needles and blunt wrappers like I taught you, Amy. I wonder if you wore a beehive just to drown out the cries of rehab. I wonder if you're awake from your sleep, heart pumping heavy, screaming, no, no, no. How does that work for you? Because I'm 17 and I'm trying to find the easiest way to look like I'm okay. Can you help me? Whether I take the night and bring it back to black, if you knew you would have been remembered, would you have washed your hands? Or at least gotten rid of the fingerprints? Amy, how come women are settling their wealth? Maybe if they knew they were like the most delicate flower. After the dancing and the drunken covers of your old songs, I am still dancing. I'm standing on the stage hoping that these lights don't reveal all the skeletons behind me. Tonight, we will realize that these are only words and goodbyes are as equal as farewells. Tonight, there is a girl somewhere, 17, adding another quarter to the jukebox. Tonight, after all the glitter fades and rests and midnight comes around again, I promise my unborn daughter that our day will come.
We only said goodbye with words. I died 100 times. You go back to heaven, I go back to. We only said goodbye with words. I died 100 times. You go back to heaven, I go back to black.